Hey guys, welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today I want to show you the doctor appointment booking website. Nowadays people are busy in their works and they have no time to go to hospital and book their appointments. So we are coming with this website. Now you can see the flow of this website. They have four modules: admin, doctor, hospital and patient. Admin can log in with their admin username and password. After that, admin can add the hospitals to the website and they view the added hospitals. After that, hospital can log in with their email and password. They add the doctors to the website and they view the added doctors. Next, doctor can log in with their email and password and they add the timings of the doctor. Finally, patient can register to the website and log in with their login details and the book the appointments. And patient can view the booked appointments in the view appointment section. Doctor and hospital also view the booked appointments in the view appointment section. Doctor can reject the appointments because of their busy schedule. After that, doctor can write the prescription and he can also view the prescription. After the patient also view the prescription. After that, patient can give the rating and review to the doctor. Website. This is the homepage of the website. Now log in into admin. Username admin and with password. Sign in. Now we can add the hospital name Apollo. Give the phone number and enter the email address and to add the hospital picture and enter the address of the hospital. Add hospital. Hospital added successfully. You can see the hospital in view hospital section. See, this is the hospital. Now you can add it. Log out from the admin page and log into the hospital page with registered email and password. It shows the reset the password, so you can reset the password resetted. Now you can add the doctors. Enter the doctor name like Arjun and email of the doctor. Specialization of the doctor. You can give the dentist and the doctor picture. And the price of the doctor for one appointment and experience of the doctor. I can give the 5 years. Add the doctor. Doctor added successfully. You can view the doctors in view doctor section. This is the doctor. Now we can add it. Next, log out from the hospital page and log into the doctor page with registered email. Log into the doctor page. Doctor page also shows the reset password page, so you can reset the password. Now we add the timings of the doctor. Choose the Monday. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Add. Now we can add the timings of the doctor on Monday. Like this, you can add the other days also. 7 a.m. 7 p.m. That's it. Log out from the doctor page. Go to patient page. You are a new patient, so sign up first, register first with name. Enter the name, phone number, email, and password. Give the date of birth, and also give the gender. Register. Registration successful, and log in with the registered email and password. Sign in. Now you can book the appointments. Specialization. Now give the dentist. Hospital Apollo. On Dr. Arjun. Search. Now you can see this profile. They have book appointment button. Click the button, book appointments. You can add the date. So you can add the tomorrow date. Tomorrow date, wait. Set tomorrow date. You can book the 7:50 to 7:30 slot. Click the book now button. They have payment and pay and book button. Click the pay and book. Enter a disease. You can enter 2-3 placement. Enter your card details. And CVV number and expiry date. Your appointment is booked on some date. Appointment are booked. You can see the booked appointments in view appointment section. You also cancel the appointment. Log out. Go to doctor page. Log in with doctor details. They have your appointment section. Give the date of tomorrow date. So you can also reject the appointment if they have busy schedule. And also prescribe button. Click the prescribe button and enter the initial diagnosis and for something observation and also prescription. Some tablets. Submit. I will give the prescription to the patient. So log out from the doctor page and go to patient page. So you can view the prescribed appointments. Click on that. So this is the prescription. So this is the prescription. After that, you can give the rate and review to the doctor. So I can give the rating and review to the doctor. Rating 5 and review is good. Click the submit button. Rating and review are submitted. Here is history button. In this section, completed appointments are shown in this page. and the logout button. This is the doctor appointment booking website.